Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a must-have for any special effects makeup enthusiast, the Mehron Makeup Liquid Latex. This professional-grade product is not just your average liquid latex. It's a versatile, vegan formula trusted by Hollywood and Broadway professionals since 1927. So what exactly does this liquid latex do? It serves multiple purposes, from acting as an adhesive for prosthetics to creating impressive textured effects on the skin, such as aged or peeling appearances. The product is designed for 3D effects. Mix it with materials like cotton or tissue before application to achieve incredible depth. In my experience using Mehron Liquid Latex, I found it straightforward to set up and apply. Layering is key. Applying thin layers and powdering between each one helped me achieve the desired scar or wrinkle effect. For a spooky zombie look, I layered the latex with cotton for a decaying appearance, allowing each layer to dry thoroughly. The instructions are clear, and with a bit of practice, you can create stunning results. Now, let's talk performance. This liquid latex holds up exceptionally well, adhering securely to the skin without causing irritation. I tested it during a long Halloween event, and it stayed intact throughout the night. The ability to build layers means you can customize your look, whether for cosplay, Halloween, or theatrical performances. On the pros and cons front, the liquid latex shines in several areas. Pros include its professional quality, ease of use, and versatility. However, it does require a bit of technique to achieve the best results, which might not be ideal for complete beginners. When comparing it to similar products, Mehron stands out due to its rich history in the industry and trusted formulation. While there are cheaper alternatives available, they may not deliver the same level of quality or durability, making Mehron worth the investment if you're serious about special effects makeup. Is it value for money? Absolutely. At about $10 for 1 fluid ounce, you're getting a professional-grade product that can last through numerous applications, depending on your usage. The quality of materials is top-notch, ensuring durability and safety, with no issues of skin irritation reported in user reviews. User-friendliness is another highlight. Its consistency allows for easy application, and the removal process is straightforward. Just use Mehron Makeup Remover or warm water to soften the edges, followed by soap and water. I've had pleasant experiences with their customer support, always responsive and helpful. Real-world testing confirmed its effectiveness. I used it to create a variety of looks, and each time it met my expectations. No firmware updates are necessary since this is a straightforward cosmetic product. In conclusion, Mehron Makeup Liquid Latex is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their special effects game. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this product will help you achieve stunning results. It's especially suited for makeup artists, cosplayers, or anyone passionate about theatrical makeup. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you enjoyed this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon helps us bring you more fantastic content. For those interested, check the comments box for the link to purchase this product, and feel free to share your experiences or ask questions below. Happy makeuping!